Kisho inu, holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I found Kisho inu positive changes, guys. So that's good news for all Kisho inu holders. Congratulations, guys. Anyways, you can see what I'm talking about these positive changes. 1.53% Kisho inu price pump yesterday. So very congrats to all of you. Anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe now. The right now price of Kisho inu is still very low. That's why showing here $0 It's mean that the price is very cheap. So I think it's opportunity for all of you to invest in a Kisho inu, and believe me, Kisho inu, Shiba inu, these are the good project in the crypto market. So please don't take it serious. Now last 1 week update is negative, but in the October possibilities that Shiba inu, Kisho inu price will blow up, guys. You can see our last 1 day update is positive 1.53%, and you can see obviously there's really a good jump of Kisho inu. That's why I'm feeling very good. Just tell me your opinion, guys. How do you feel today about Kisho inu? Good or bad? I'm feeling very good, and I'm very happy to see this update, guys. Hope you also feeling good about Kisho inu, guys. Same like me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.